Good morning, students. In our previous classes we have discussed nouns and their kinds. Today we are going to discuss on nouns and their countability. From the point of view of countability, nouns are of two types. The first one is countable nouns and second is uncountable nouns. The nouns that are used to answer the question how many are by and large countable noun, and the nouns that are used to answer the question how much are uncountable nouns. The nouns that can be counted fall in the category of countable noun, and the nouns that cannot be counted fall in the category of uncountable noun. Commonly, common nouns and collective nouns are considered countable noun, and proper nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns fall in the category of uncountable nouns. Now I would like to tell you number are of two types, singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. So we are going to discuss how to change a singular noun into a plural one. Rule number one. Most nouns are changed into plural form by adding s. For example, cat, cats, bat, bats, etc. Rule number two. If we find the nouns ending with s, double s, ch, sh and x, we have to use es to change that particular noun into plural form. For example, bus, buses, class, classes, watch, watches. Rule number three. If we find consonant plus o, that means if we find a noun having o in the end and before that there is a consonant, then we add es. We need to understand what a consonant is. There are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o and u. If we find the letter before o other than these 5 words, then that means that letter is a consonant and we use es with that. For example, there is echo, then it will become echoes. There is mango, it will become mangoes. And if there is mango, echo. Rule number 4. If we find vowel plus o, that means there will be two vowels. O is also a vowel, and before that there will be a vowel. Then we will use S after that word to change that into a plural one. For example, radio, then we will write radios. If there is a word cuckoo, then it will becomes cuckoos. S will be used. Rule number 5. There will be Y in the end of the word, and before that there will be a consonant. If we find a word having Y in the end and before that there we find a consonant, then what we do, we actually replace Y with I and add ES. Again listen, we replace Y with I and after that we add ES after the word. For example, if there is story, then write stories. Next one, rule number 5 is, if there is a word having Y in the end and before that there is a vowel, then we add only S. For example, if there is monkey, then the plural will be monkeys, and if there is story, then it will become stories. This story and this story, they are different words. It means a tale and it means the building, story building. Rule number 7 is, if we find a word having F or FE in the end, then what we do, we use VES. We will remove F or FE, and in the place of these letters we use VES. For example, if there is wife, then it will becomes wives. If there is half, it will become halves. If there is calf, it becomes calves. If it is wolf, it will become wolves. If it is knife, it becomes knives. But there are few words after them we find F and FE, but we don't apply the same rule. We add only S behind them. For example, if it is belief, then it becomes beliefs. If it is chief, it will become chiefs. We will keep these rules in mind. After that, there are words written in front of you. You need to remember them. You need to keep them in mind. For example, if you find double O, it will replace by double E. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. Then if there is man, it will become men. If it is mouse, it will become mice. If it is louse, it will become lice. Then there are rules. If you find is, I there, then it is replaced by es. Analysis, analysis. Basis, basis. Thesis, thesis. Crisis, crisis. Then alumnus, alumni. Bacillus, bacilli. Stimulus, stimuli. And look, medium is a singular and media is a plural form. In the same way, bacterium is a singular noun and bacteria is a plural noun. So we need to keep all of them in mind. I hope you have understood how to change a singular noun into a plural one. You will practice the words given in your Bravia. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep watching.